Hello everyone, it's Dragana from Saacibo. I'm here with another journal flip through. Here we go, hope you like it. Again, I created a little drawstring bag for it, for the protection, and I thought it also looks cute. I tried to match the colors. This journal is a custom order, but I thought I'd do a video before I send it away, because later on I might be stuck with ideas and I'd like to have a look what I've done, and I'm doing it as reference for myself, but also I hope that whoever's watching this video might get inspiration from it to create something meaningful to them. And it turned out really lovely. For the closure, I've created this removable looks almost like a cuff. Yeah, look, can be worn. But it's really cute. I just used some fabric and lace and a bit of material, stitched elastic here, and I put a little fabric cover button, gathered some lace and glued it on top and made it like a little flower, so it can be closed like this as well, or the other way around, or like that. I try to put it in the center because there's the flower there, the actual fabric, but it turned out really cute, I think. Alright, the cover is this lovely fabric in really pastel pale minty green with a dusty rose. 3 signatures. Dimensions are 4 1/4 or 11 centimeters, 21 centimeters, 8 1/4. Here we have 1 1/4 inches wide spine, or almost 3.5 centimeters. And I put corner protectors in silver color and a nameplate. This one turned out so nice that I decided to make more of similar ones, so only a little bit narrower spine. They might be having just 2 signatures. Haven't decided yet, but it's really nice. Look at that. For the insides, I used some scrapbooking paper in a similar floral theme, and a bit of muslin here to cover the spine and the inside. I didn't put any pockets or anything on the covers. I normally put them on the signature covers. I stitched all around to secure the edges using zigzag stitch, you can see, and inside as well. I did glue everything down, but I find that in time glues just don't work as well, so I like to stitch everything, and I like stitching, I like sewing. So each signature has its own little cover with some thicker paper. This one has the belly band front, this one has belly band on the inside, and again belly band at the front. So I used a piece of paper here and I backed it up with some fabric and I cut it with these scissors. They're really good. They're not pinking shears like these ones. They're more like they give this scalloped edge. Anyway, not important. Okay, and I created a little tag with one of my digital images. I stitched around and I added a bit of ribbon there and a little flower. And there's 2 more pockets here and a tag, larger one and a smaller one with some flowers, some tea stained doily. And we have writing space here. Created this little paper clip decorated one, those colors. So it just goes on top of the page or on the side. And this is just an image from a book. It was a gardening book, I think. And then I printed these butterflies on this area here where there was no writing. So I didn't want to cut off the top and I didn't want to back it either. Just I thought it looked good like that there. I printed this magazine image onto some tea stained paper and I like that effect. I've done it for a few other journals as well. It looks really nice. More writing space. This is all tea stained paper. Some music sheet. And we have like a signature within a signature, almost like, you know what I mean. There's like that part, and then in the center we have another little like a cover with some side pockets that I've created with my digital kits, and created like side pockets. Here it says inspiration, and on this side it says dreams. So you can write your dreams, or you can write what inspires you. And the pockets turned out really, or the side tucks turned out really nice, and I added these little decorations inside. And this is from one of those old diaries thing. It's a big one, so it was one page that I folded in half and went for writing. Okay, so back to the other side. Tea stained paper, doily, and pockets, another tag, and some of my handmade paper. I like how this one turned out. It's got real flowers. These purple flowers are actually some sort of weed, and they're perfect because they're so tiny. Perfect for that. They're perfect for making paper, botanical papers. Here we have that belly band with a tag. Tag has been backed with paper. This is a postcard from my digital and paper. Oh, this is one of those hidden paper clips that I've seen Natasha from Treasure Books do. She's got some really good ideas. If you haven't seen her channel, I suggest you look her up. She's got some really great tutorials. I'll include the link down below in the description box. Writing space, music, and again this one has, just like the first signature, this one has this middle, like another signature within a signature, although it's been sewn all together. So here we don't have the side pockets, we have just normal pockets with some cute fabric snippets, some writing page, and a tag. It's writing paper, and same here, a tag, some writing space, and a little snippet. And on this side again, same. Another one of my postcard designs. And a cute belly band that I created with a piece of fabric and this paper that I stitched on top and then cut using these scissors. It's a nice effect. Okay, now the third signature. Again, we start off with a belly band. There's a little tag here created with one of my digital kits, the early ones. There's a double pocket, double side pocket here, or is it a tuck? Okay, I only stitched this side because the journal is narrow, and if I stitched here it would probably tear in the end, so I left it open so you can slide things in. This is one of my little, like a notepads made from scrap. And another little paper clip. I think I just put some pieces of fabric and a bit of a ribbon, lace flower, and this shiny like imitation jewel, and I just clip it like that. There's the side that, oh, what have I done? Here we have a tag with a flower, a little pocket, and like a little like writing space with a pretty flower. This is one of my digital kits actually. It's called Lace Collection, the pink one. This is that middle signature within a signature, and again we have a tag, and again like writing space, and some cute snippets. I stitched everything around. Kind of like that zigzag stitch. And we have more writing pages here. We come to the end. Again, double pocket with a tag. Writing space. And a belly band. Now with this one, I had offcuts from the tea-stained paper and some handmade paper, and I just created like a little booklet. I just used stapler and I covered it with a flower at the front. So that's it. Really simple, but looks nice. And that will be it. This one turned out really lovely, romantic, and my favorite part is this closure actually. I want to make more of these closures. I think they're really cute. Let me know what you think in the comments. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you get inspired to create. Bye for now.